अविरल निर्मल सलिल सदय ज्ञान प्रदायिनी ज्योतिर्मय हो चहु दिशि उद्घोष अभय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय प्रबल प्रवाहमयी नित नूतन जीवन दायिनी सदा सनातन वेद प्रणीता परम पुनीता ये धारा अक्षय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय दयानंद से प्रेम भक्ति ले हंसराज से त्याग शक्ति ले धर्म भक्ति का राष्ट्र शक्ति का हो दिन मान उदय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय सुख समृद्धि इसकी लहरें प्रेम शांति इसके तट ठहरे सघन शांतिमय प्रबल क्रांतिमय लिए अटल निश्चय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय।
Greetings, respected Ma'am Principal, Coordinator Ma'am, the esteemed parents, teachers, and my dear friends. I, on behalf of Class 7F, welcome you all to a rendezvous with Class 7F. This is a small attempt on the online platform to integrate activity with learning. We, the students of Class 7F, under the able guidance of our coordinator ma'am and our dear teachers, woven with our infant imagination, have tried to bring up a small show in front of you all. Hope you will like it. The theme for today's program is Life Around Us. So, now I pass on the baton to my friends Bhavya and Anshika, who will escort you on this fun-filled journey.
Hello everybody! I am Bhavya.
And I am Anshika.
And today we both are going to take you on a roller coaster ride exploring life around us.
We will take you to a world where we have a spider,
A fly,
an aeroplane,
plants and trees,
butterflies.
and interesting information.
So come with us. Let's explore
Life around us.
नमो नमः। मम नाम देवांशी अस्ति। अहं सप्तमी एफ कक्षायाः छात्रा अस्ति। वयं छात्राः मिलित्वा विश्वस्य सुन्दरतां द्रष्टुमिच्छामः। अतः वयं छात्राः विमानयानं रचयामः।
राघव, माधव, सीते, ललिते। राघव, माधव, सीते, ललिते। विमानयानं रचयामः। विमानयानं रचयामः। नीले गगने विपुले विमले। नीले गगने विपुले विमले। वायुविहार करवाम। विमानयानं रचयामः। विमानयानं रचयामः। विमानयानं रचयामः।
उन्नतवृक्षं तुङ्गमभवनम्। उन्नतवृक्षं तुङ्गमभवनम्। क्रान्त्वाकाशं खलु यामः। कृत्वा हिमवन्तं सोपानम्। कृत्वा हिमवन्तं सोपानम्। चान्दिरलोकं प्रविशामः। विमानयानं रचयामः। विमानयानं रचयामः। विमानयानं रचयामः। विमानयानं रचयामः।
शुक्रश्चन्द्र सूर्यो गुरुरिति। शुक्रश्चन्द्र सूर्यो गुरुरिति। विविधा सुन्दरिताराश्चित्वा विविधा सुन्दरिताराश्चित्वा मौक्तिकहारं रचयाम विमानयानं रचयाम विमानयानं रचयाम विमानयानं रचयाम विमानयानं रचयाम अम्बुधमालामम्बरभूषाम् अम्बुधमालामम्बरभूषाम् आदायैव हि खलु यामः दुःखितपीडितकृषकजनानां दुःखितपीडितकृषकजनानां गृहेषु हर्षं जनयामः विमानयाम रचयाम विमानयाम रचयाम.
Wow, that was stupendous, absolutely mesmerizing.
Yes, the world around us is filled with wonders. It is full of rainbow colors and charming sounds. The bosom of the nature fascinates, not only with its pristine beauty, but also with its priceless treasures that we see. Nature has given us so much of beauty to explore.
Hey, I can see some children there in the garden running after butterflies. Let's go and see what they are doing.
Yes, they are Nishtha, Sahil, Karthik, Turvi, and Manav, trying to find symmetry in things around us. But before we meet them, let us understand what symmetry means.
Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you something about symmetry. There are two types of symmetry, line symmetry and rotational symmetry. Line symmetry is a line that cuts a shape exactly in half. This means that if we were to fold the shape along the line, both halves would match exactly.
Hello everyone, I am a flag which is containing 6 lines of symmetry. The first line of symmetry is the vertical line. The second line of symmetry is the horizontal line. The third line of symmetry is the first diagonal of the flag. The fourth line of symmetry is the second diagonal of the flag. The fifth line of symmetry is this. And the sixth line of symmetry is this. So, this shows line symmetry, as each petal containing in this flower has one line of symmetry.
Hello everyone, I am a butterfly. I am a butterfly. When you fold me vertically, there is a one line of symmetry. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
If an object looks exactly the same after a certain amount of rotation, less than 360 degree, we say that the object has rotational symmetry. In a complete turn, the number of times the object looks exactly the same is called the order of rotational symmetry. Thank you.
For understanding rotational symmetry, we can take example of a windmill and we can mark each point as A, B, C and D. And now if we rotate the windmill, it will look exactly the same as before. In full turn, there are 4 positions through angles of 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree and 360 degree. In all these positions, windmill look exactly the same because it has exact look at 4th position. The object have rotational symmetry with order 4.
Hello everyone, today I will tell you about rotational symmetry of a star. See here, if I rotate it in 72 degree, it appear to be same. Similarly, if I keep on rotating it in a complete 360-degree turn, it appeared to be same 5 times. Hence, a star has a rotational symmetry of order 5. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.
Wow, that's quite interesting. Your friends have ignited the spark to notice creativity and beauty in all that is around us. I must say, they have a good observation.
The abundance of flowers alone amazes with a variety of incredible shapes and flavors.
And what about the picturesque mountain and the seacoast? Lovely fishes, animals, and birds. Each has a story to tell. And now I'm going to hijack you to the realm of a clever spider, where they worship the spider. Tanya is the fly, Rohan and Navya are our narrators, and Abhimanyu is the sage.
Greetings to all. Do you know animals have so much to offer to us? Not only do they give us dairy products, protection, sometimes company to the lonely, and even some lessons for life. The poem that my friends are going to present today is actually a fable and has a beautiful moral to convey to us. So get ready to be transported to a world of clever spider and a naive fly.
Will you walk into my parlor? 'Tis the prettiest little parlor ever you did spy. The way into my parlor is up a winding stair, and I have many pretty things to show when you are there.
Oh, no, no, to ask me in his way, for who goes up your winding stairs can never come down again.
I am sure you must be very dear, soaring up so high. Will you rest upon my little bed? There are pretty curtains drawn around. The sheets are fine and thin. And if you like to rest a while, I'll snugly tuck you in.
Oh, no, no, for I've often heard it said, they never, never wake again to sleep upon your bed.
Sweet creature, you are witty and you are wise. How handsome are your gauzy wings. How brilliant are your eyes. I have a little looking glass upon my parlor shelf, and if you step in a moment, you shall behold yourself.
I thank you, gentle sir, for what you are pleased to say, and bidding a good morning now, I'll call you another day.
The spider turned him round about and went into his den, for well he knew the silly fly would soon be back again. So he wove a subtle web in a little corner sly, and set his table ready to dine upon the fly. Then he came out to his door again and merrily did sing.
Come hither, hither, pretty fly, with the pearl and silver wing. Your robes are black and yellow. There is a crest upon your head. Your eyes are like diamond bright, but mine are dull as lead.
Alas, alas, how very soon this silly little fly, hearing his willy flattering words, came slowly fleeting by. With buzzing words she hung aloft, then near and near drew, thinking only of her brilliant eyes, green and purple hue, thinking only of her crested head, a poor foolish thing. At last up jumped the cunning spider and freely held her last. He dragged her up in his winding stairs into his dismal den, within his little parlor, but she never came back again.
So, friends, follow my advice and don't fall in any honey trap.
Amazing presentation by the group. Applauses for them.
There is so much to learn, even from these flora and fauna around us, isn't it? I remember my grandmother also told me such stories. That world of stories is so beautiful. She has also told me many stories about how plants and trees used to walk and talk. Isn't that funny?
No, not funny. I will take you to the world where plants and trees really work, talk, and make food. Come with me and meet my friends Anshika, Trisha, Purva, Kaishi, Ira, and Saksham.
Hello everyone, I am the sun. I am the ultimate source of energy for all living organisms. I give my light to everyone in the world. That's for free, you know. It's my nature. Ha ha!
I am the green plant. The whole world depends on me for its food directly or indirectly. Don't think I'm boasting. Well, I'm just telling. I'm dependent on some of my friends for making my food by the process named photosynthesis. They are...
I am water. I am absorbed by the roots from the soil. From the roots, I am transported to other parts of the plant by the vessels. I am a major raw material in the photosynthesis.
I am carbon dioxide. I am there in the atmosphere. I am another major raw material for the photosynthesis process. I enter the leaves through tiny pores.
Yes, and these tiny pores, the stomata. I am there on the surface of leaves. I take carbon dioxide from there and help the plant in making its food.
I am there with my light.
The chlorophyll present in my leaves captures the sunlight, due to which the reaction between carbon dioxide and water starts.
After this reaction, iron produced, the food in the form of glucose. I am the initial product of photosynthesis. I get converted into starch, proteins, fats in plants. From leaves, I can be stored by the plant in its roots, fruits or stem.
I am the life-giving gas. Yes, I am oxygen. I am another major product of photosynthesis. If I will finish, then no living organism will survive. You might have realized it in the second wave of COVID-19.
Here is the word equation of photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll forms glucose and oxygen.
That was really very informative. A remarkable performance. Do you know, these plants and animals also have a life cycle. And I can show you this life cycle in a form of a dance presented by my friends Shruti, Anahita and Dizza.
Earth is the only known planet having life in this universe. We should respect and maintain everything we get from our Mother Earth.
What an astounding performance!
You know, that plant and animal world have blessed us in multiple ways, and they are always ready to make friends with us. But we, proclaiming ourselves as czars of nature, for some reason treated ungratefully.
That's what I hear in the air. Some sounds of Jinchuriki.
Jinchuriki? What's that?
Jinchuriki. The name of the song means two bonded souls. Animals are getting endangered by the human activities which disturbs the balance of the nature, and humans are unaware of how hard it is for animals to survive. We have to save these lives of the animals, and that is why my friends have composed this rap to awaken all from this slumber.
Namaste. I, Arav from class 7F, welcome you all. For ecological balance, both human beings and animals should contribute for each other's existence, whereas the said is regressed. So to address such a relevant issue from the perspective of social science, we present to you all a rap, Jinchuriki, dedicated to the cause. Rap music, due to its fast pace, is famous amongst the youth. Time and again, it is not only used to entertain but also used to raise collective awareness. So today, my friends Saksham, Vihan, Ruhan, Shaurya, Varun and Ridhima will present a rap, Jinchuriki.
Oh, I feel the darkness seeking, cause of my heart, such a heartless feeling. I know it's hard to believe me, cause I'm a century.
Oh, sweetheart, this is the animal where I be in it. I am not interested in animals in this case. You need to be in it. I stand for something. And nothing so because it's up abbreviated. Let's hear I am going to do the power that is in the DNA. Wondering about my life. Wondering what struggles if I to survive.
Mathematics for which we are compared Goka, tiger and elephants are to be left like Uttakara, gets it transported Uttakara. We have to save this like Uttakara, bits like 40 cents like shorties, cents like shorties.
I've got clothes that hard to figure. You all know we bring them up and further. Name of our lost soul. Wait, who I'm kidding? We try to show them how to their home. Not to one social to the good. Not to the end where we both the guy. Pride of lands together they can. We should spread to make the fortune already recorded. Why we have some? We will take beautiful children.
Rene, boy, fool the darkness, seeking claw on my heart, cause a heartless feeling. I know it's hard to believe me, claw on my heart, I'm a Jinchuriki.
Sensitive issue was well presented by Arav, Ruhan, Saksham, Ridhima, Vihan, Varun and Shaurya. Some people even claim that animals are a harm to humans, but in fact, animals have saved human lives countless times. In ancient period, when people were cavemen, wolves alongside used to hunt with humans. We should all fight for safe animals as they are an important component of our environment.
This implies that we all should be sensitive towards the need of all form of life around us.
But not only that, we should be careful towards our health. I must tell you that yogic exercises are a good way of keeping yourself fit and healthy.
Yes, a healthy mind resides in a healthy body. I will take you to a group of friends who will show some yoga postures with us, and this will be accompanied with a self-composed poem by my friend.
पे माटी को बिखराया, कई रंगों से इसे सजाया, हवा पानी को धरा पे बहाया, सुरमई संगीत बजाया, सूर्य ने लालिमा को फैलाया, दिन रात का चक्कर चलाया, बदल बदल के मौसम आया, कभी सूखा तो कभी हरियाली लाया। प्रकृति की छटा निराली है, इस निराली छटा में योगाभ्यास करना हमारे लिए आवश्यक है। तो आइए मैं आपको लेके चलता हूँ योग की दुनिया में, और उसके बाद सुनेंगे हम रूहान का कविता गायन।
वज्रासन।
वज्रासन का नियमित अभ्यास पाचन में सुधार करता है और कब्ज की समस्या को खत्म करता है। पीठ को मजबूत बनाने के साथ साथ ही निचले हिस्से में होने वाले दर्द में भी राहत देता है।
तितली आसन।
तितली आसन देर तक खड़े रहने और घूमने से होने वाली थकान को खत्म करता है।
पद्मासन।
पद्मासन घुटनों और कूल्हों के जोड़ों का लचीलापन बढ़ाता है, घुटनों और टखनों में खिंचाव लाता है और उन्हें मजबूत बनाता है।
प्राणायाम, अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम।
अनुलोम विलोम करने से फेफड़े शक्तिशाली होते हैं, सर्दी, जुकाम व दमा की शिकायतों से काफी हद तक बचाव होता है, हृदय बलवान भी होता है।
भ्रामरी प्राणायाम।
भ्रामरी प्राणायाम के अभ्यास से आपका शरीर ज्यादा रिलैक्स और हल्का महसूस करता है, आपके मस्तिष्क और मन को शांति मिलती है और आप हर काम में अच्छे से फोकस कर पाते हैं।
संघर्ष से सफलता पाने का नया संदेश वो लेकर आया था। एक पंछी देखा था मैंने जो मेरे मन को भाया था। रिमझिम फुहारें बरस रही थी, नए नए अंकुर फूट रहे थे, हर ओर भरी हरियाली थी, मानवपन प्रफुल्लित था। पर पेड़ की एक खाली डाली पर एक साया बैठा सोच रहा था। एक पंछी देखा था मैंने जो मेरे मन को भाया था। मन में उसके हलचल मची थी, क्या अपना घर को बसा पाएगा? खोजबीन में जुट गया वो कुछ तिनकों की तलाश में। नींव रखी जब अपने घर की तो एक घरौंदे की उसको आस थी। एक पंछी देखा था मैंने जो मेरे मन को भाया था। आया एक हवा का झोंका, तिनका दूर जाकर गिरा। संशय फिर उसके मन में आया, मुझसे ना हो पाएगा। दूजे ही पर हिम्मत आई, नई मिसाल तू बनाएगा। एक पंछी देखा था मैंने जो मेरे मन को भाया था। हिम्मत गजब की मन में आई, हार कभी ना मानूंगा। इसी पेड़ की डाली पर आशियाना अपना बसाऊंगा। मन में कुछ करने की ठानी, फिर से किया शुभारंभ। एक पंछी देखा था मैंने जो मेरे मन को भाया था। धीरे धीरे संयम से उसने किया घर का निर्माण। उसके इस जज्बे का है मेरे मन में सम्मान। दृढ़ निश्चय से उसने किया अपनी समस्या का समाधान। हार न मानो, लक्ष्य प्राप्त कर, गाओ विजय का गान। एक पंछी देखा था मैंने जो मेरे मन को भाया था। धन्यवाद।
I am glad to see how your friends are conscious about keeping themselves fit and healthy.
In fact, we should understand that when we return to the bosom of nature, appreciate the gifts it has bestowed on us, then only we can come in harmony with life around us. So we all need to take a pledge to preserve nature and take care of the life around us. It's time for everyone to try hard to make this world a better place.
We pledge that we will protect the life around us by planting trees, taking care of animals, birds, and sea life, promoting vegetarianism, spreading awareness about our precious and dynamic flora and fauna, and treating the whole world as one family.
Before we end, let's share some interesting information that will surprise you all.
Strange but true. Female lions do most of the hunting and the male lions defend their territory of their pride. The skin of polar bear is black. The white color comes from the hair of the polar bear that is hollow. The most efficient swimmer fish is jellyfish as it consumes 48% less oxygen than other marine animals. Thank you and have a nice day.
Believe it or not, butterflies can taste with their foot. But honeybees can flap their wings 200 times in a second. Octopuses have 3 hearts.
I hope you all had a great time. I request Madam Principal to kindly address the gathering.